In this video, I will show you how to insert pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So insert, and here is the option for charts. Click here, and this is the pie chart. Select it, and you can select 2D or 3D. So firstly guys, you select your data. Now 2D or 3D, whatever you like, and keep anyway in your document. You can, once you double click, so you can change the style. Select data and insert, then chart. This is the 3D chart. Click anywhere and move anywhere. Here you can give the name for this chart. Thanks for watching.